everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Stacy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the marker pens. It is similar to the marker we used to know, but filled with sublimation ink. You can use it on A4 or A3 printed used paper, or draw it directly on the sublimation line marks. And there are many colors and thickness choices of markers. It is so convenient for people who don't have a sublimation printer or beginners. If you are not good at drawing, you can watch this video and I will teach you how to use these markers. Okay, let's go for the design part. The design area is no limit and depends on your sublimation size. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. So take out your markers and let's start now. First, we need to know that the colors on paper or sublimation will be shown differently from its actual colors. So we use the color of the pen cap as the standard because it is closer to its printing color. Second, the marker is available in 3 thicknesses for different usage. The 0.5mm is suitable for drawing the outline, and the 1mm is suitable for the outline and filling color at the same time. The 2mm is suitable for filling color in larger space. Third, if your printing area is larger than your heat press machine size, you can draw it separately or draw it on the sublimation directly. Better to pay attention. The result is different when you draw it in different medium. 4. How to use the marker to fill in your drawings. It is not that difficult and just need a small skill. Look at this. We use the flat coating method. It's better than dotting method. Now I will show you some wrong method. After that, I will draw it in the flat coating method. You can see which one is better. Finally, the most important point you need to know is the mirror method. If you draw it on the product directly, your design is no need to mirror it. But if you want to draw it on paper, you need to mirror your design first, especially words. You can print its layout on paper and put it under the paper you want to draw on. Then you can enjoy your design time now. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Stacy from LOPO and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact ourselves or leave your message below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.